Yo, what's up, guys? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? Happy damn Friday, right? That's what I'm talking about. I hope you're going green right now. The market is still open. We got about 30 minutes left of trading, but it's been a damn good day. Okay, AMC is at $40.03 right now. We'll see if it can close above 40. But I had to get this information out to you guys. So we're gonna do a little different today. We're gonna skip the keynotes today. And then we're gonna go over Lucid. We're gonna go over Bitfarms because Bitfarms is flying too. So Bitfarms is up 5% right now. It's at 850. So that's definitely got some green behind it, right? You got some volume there pushing it. And I found a bunch of news articles, and I found something that's gonna be key for AMC, guys. I think there's a big move coming in the next 2 weeks or so, okay? And I'm gonna show you what I mean by that, okay? What you need to pay attention to with AMC, though, I'm gonna go over AMC first because we need to pay attention to the low volume, okay? We're only at 20 million right now, so AMC is making history today, guys, in 2 ways, okay? I'm gonna explain that. So one, low volume, and 2, they just announced they're gonna accept crypto now, right? They can actually start doing it. There's a news article I'm gonna go over. So let's switch over, okay, to the other screen so we can get this started. We're gonna go to Google. All right, let's talk about AMC first. Check this out. Big news flash as promised. Many new ways now to pay online at AMC. We probably now accept, drum roll please, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, all that stuff. Incredibly, they are already account for 14% of our total online transaction. Dogecoin is next. Wow, guys. Our world is changing right before our eyes, right? Like a major company right now, AMC, that's worldwide right now, right? They started to accept crypto. So not only is AMC good, you guys, if you like crypto, I mean, there's a lot going on with that too, okay? So the next thing out, we got to get this information out, guys. This is key right here. Like I said, the volume is 20.9 million right now. I think that is a historic low. And let me show you what we got here. Pay attention, okay, down here to the volume, okay? This is the date. This is the most recent, right? So it's this. I just want you to pay attention to the volume column right here, okay? Just try to ignore this for now. So right now, like I said, if we scroll down, right before the big move in June, right? When we had this 95% day, what did we have? We had 766 in million volume, okay? Do you see the difference right now? We're at 21 million. As I was looking through all this right here, and I have never seen 21 million. And we only have about 30 minutes left of trading, guys. So look at this. Look at this. This is why we do our DD. This is why we need to work together, and we need to get this information out to all the apes, okay? Shout out to the 37 subscribers. I'm getting new subscribers every day. Shout out to y'all. Remember, the goal is to get to 1K so I can start live streaming. But anyways, back to AMC. Okay, look, the 21 million volume, right? So what happened when we had that massive 95% day? Here it is. We're gonna look. I'm saying, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but give it 2 weeks. If we see more than 80 million in volume, expect some big moves, okay? To the upside, I'm saying. Look, 31. This is May 5th, May 6th. We're going along, and then boom, what happens? Volume came in. 296 million. Volume kind of slowed down. So and then as soon as you see over 100, 200, what do we have? Breakout. And then up to that day, okay? So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Okay, so 2 weeks, 3 weeks, right? We can expect some kind of move, in my opinion, guys. So check this out. Look at, if we go scrolling back, low volume, high volume. As we move closer to the date that we're at right now, look at what happens when we have over 200 million in volume. A 20% day, guys. This is insane, all right? So not only, is AMC accepting crypto, that's bigger news than all the, the FUD that came out about Adam Aaron and his shares. We're past that. Okay. We're looking now to what's going to happen next week. Okay. And in my opinion, this is what you can expect. Tell all the apes out there, recruit new apes if you can. Look at this low volume. This is saying 19. Okay. We're at 21 right now, guys. This is major. This is crazy. And let's go check out the chart real quick. This as well, guys. Remember, we broke out of this triangle here, the triangle that we had going here. Boom, we broke out, right? So we're out of it. And then what happened? Like textbook, what happened? We bounced off the bottom support right here, right? Making our way up. We're gonna look at this daily chart. And it's just beautiful, guys. This is picture perfect. I don't know what else to say. The RSI is sitting perfect right now. I think there's something big coming with AMC in the next few weeks, guys. It's going to be a very, very beautiful Christmas. Okay, so we have this trend line, and I expect it to go at least to this area in the next week, okay? But if you see that volume come in, hold on to your titties. Your titties will be jacked. Oh, man, that's what gets mine going, right? Okay, I think that's all I have to show for AMC. So let's move on to Lucid real quick. So Lucid right here, this freaking article is absolutely awesome, guys. You're talking about 1,111 horsepower, okay, from an electric car. So it talks about the CEO, how he used to work for Tesla, and he helped create the first Tesla that I remember. I think it's the Model S. And what he said is that it should have the interior of a Mercedes, and it should handle like a Lotus. The metal tape crackles that it bends through the cabin, right? So he's talking about the specifics, but what I want to point out here now is it's the Air Dream P, okay, is what they're calling it. It has up to 1,111 horsepower. That's insane. Go scroll down. This is a pretty long article, so we're gonna just kind of summarize it. Yeah, but right here, this is pretty cool too, okay? So his goals didn't mention Bugatti grade acceleration, but it's there. Select sprint mode to unlock the horsepower, and then just in normal driving, it's got 784 horsepower. So I'm bringing this up because I don't think Lucid has much downside from this point, man. I think it's gonna go up, and to the hundreds at least. That's my 200, 300 within a couple, maybe a year or so. But this is the time to just scoop up them shares, okay? The acceleration is so hard it'll leave your inner ear with a little punch drunk, okay? Imagine sitting there with 1,000 horsepower, man. I'd be holding on to my seat for sure. The top speed is at 168 miles an hour. It talks about the specifics more. It's kind of like the interior and what you're gonna expect to get from this car, right? I think I want to test drive it. I want to see what that feels like, okay? Yeah, so 1,011 horsepower. Now I think the price tag is 170. Not quite sure when that will start to come down. Seems pretty expensive. Here's some more specifications, okay? 2 motors. Talks about the battery. Oh, okay, what I forgot to say is how quick it charges, guys. It was saying something about it could charge it like a pretty good percentage in about 20 minutes. See if I can find that. That piece right there. Okay, right here. And it's got 20-inch rims, 21-inch rims, and it's saying it's recharging 300 kilowatts connection can take the battery from 10 to 80% in 20 minutes. Man, this game over. Check this out. AMC is making its move up, right? Power hour, baby. It's at 40/20. All right, let's get it. Yeah, so we're gonna look at this Lucid chart real quick. It's still beautiful as I can see. We got it's respecting this line right here, okay? So of course, right now the volume is not much. I can go ahead and look at it. It is Friday, so we tend to see red, but it's down 2.31% at 43.92 with the 37 million volume. So the volume is low, okay? Not what it's been doing lately. Like it's been doing like 50 million or more lately. So I'm not gonna really change anything here. I'm still looking just for it to hold this price action. Now we've been kind of riding it and holding it. So if we get a major break, you can expect at least, I would say it's gonna run maybe to the $50 range, maybe 60. Remember, a B of A analyst gave it a $60 price tag now. Okay, so he upped it from 30 to 60. So he's expecting big moves too, right? And that guy works for Bank of America. All right. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about Lucid. I just thought this article was absolutely awesome. And it's saying it's the 2022 Lucid Air Dream Edition, and it's the P like for performance. All right. And let's talk about Bitfarm real quick. Some really good news came out about Bitfarm, and that's why you're seeing this upward price. So, you know, originally they're from Canada. That's where they have their first establishment, but they're trying to expand, right? So they're already talking about plans in Argentina. And now we're gonna look over this. It says Bitfarm expands to US, right? Plans green crypto mining operation in Washington. So this has to do with all crypto, right? Like, you know what I'm talking about, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Doge, Sheeb, you know, all the cryptos, right? This is good for all of it. So it's saying the company estimates the completed facilities will be able to produce 3.7 Bitcoin daily, and it's gonna cost them $4,000, but Bitcoin is at in the 60s right now, right? So imagine 3.7 daily Bitcoins that they're mining, right? That's a lot of money. That's over 100 grand a day they get, right? So Canadian Bitcoin mining company is planning to build its first data center in the United States following the purchase of a land plot in Washington state. All right, this is the DD, guys. This is the juice, right? Why would you buy it now? Because you got all these catalysts coming up. They got their earnings coming, man. This is gonna be, you're not gonna be able to see this under $10 here soon, okay? In my opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. November 11th announcement, Bitfarms said it aimed to establish a mining operation that's capable of 620 petahashes per second using 6,200 Bitmain rigs fully powered by hydroelectric energy. It's green, baby. All green. Okay, it's gonna break down all this stuff. So the CEO, you know, why he chose Washington. It's cost-effective electricity and production rates. Okay, but yeah, they're gonna mine 3.7 at least to start. I think they want to get it up to six coins a day or something like that, right? But yeah, this is bullish news right now for Bitfarm as well. As we see the 5%, almost 6% gain for the day. The news is getting out, and now we're just gonna move over to the chart, okay? And again, this is a beautiful chart. Remember, we drew these lines as support lines in the past episodes, so hopefully you've been watching the past episodes and keeping up with what's going on. But we saw this reversal, came down, now there's a bottom, right? So it didn't even come all the way back down, right? Now we're gonna move up because this new news came out, this positive news for Bitfarm, and I only see upward movement. So I'm holding on to my shares. I'm using this strategy, right? So Warren Buffett, one of the best traders, his strategies was usually to buy and hold, okay? Long term. He wasn't, I can day trade. I do it sometimes if I see the right amount of volume or the right news or whatever I do, but I tend to not day trade. I like to do swing trading or long term. Okay, so swing trading again is maybe like a 3 month, 6 month, 1 month. It varies. I mean, it could be a week, 2 weeks. It's just when you're getting in a shorter window time. Okay, but if you're going long like AMC or Lucid, then we just buy and we hold. Okay, and then you don't have to worry about the day-to-day price action. But yeah, there's not much I can say. Just what a beautiful chart, guys. This is, you know, this is a huge breakout right here. When we pass this point, it's what you call a breakout, and you see this high, you know, price action. It needs to consolidate, take a break, and then now we're off again. So you can expect this to cross the $10 soon here, I think. Okay, let me drink some water. And then last, we're just gonna go real quick over Loopring, just to keep you guys up to date. We're at $3 right now, $3.01. If you were waiting for the dip, this is the dip, guys. There's news coming out about Metaverse, you know, the new Facebook, that it might be integrated with that. It might be integrated with GameStop, with AMC, and the NFT marketplace. I mean, the list goes on. This thing is up. Look, 1,500%, guys. This is nuts. Look, the year, 1,500%. And like I said, the world's changing in front of us. Crypto is taking off. Okay. Last thing, let's just check this article out. Loopring price up 7-fold this month on GameStop speculation and metaverse bets. The token has surged from below $1 to $3, right? We already know what it is. We've gone over that. It's an NFT marketplace that's looking to partner with some big companies, all right? So there's a lot of positive news here. These guys are giving it some pretty high and good words about it, right? Look what it says right here. Any time a mainstream company, listed company, in this case GameStop, wants to do something metaverse related, the market responds positively. Much of the hype around the NFTs, guys, the moment links back to the speculation over the future of metaverse. If you're already seeing Loopring that's going to be involved with metaverse, guys, I would be scooping these coins up. And much of the hype around NFTs at the moment links back to speculation over the future, right? So it's a hot buzzword, and yeah, it's trading up $3 range right now. It's up 157%, guys. So it's a hot one, right? It's out there. Yeah, so that's all I really wanted to do, just get this video out, because that volume information on AMC, guys, is key right now. All right. So yeah, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do, and I hope you have a great weekend. Yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Remember, there's a lot we're gonna have to look over next week with Bitfarms, Lucid, AMC, especially AMC. I know there's a lot of eyes on AMC right now, guys. And get some rest, you know, have some fun, and be safe, guys. Peace.